Today is the day that we've been waiting for our whole lives. Universal Studios Japan, and even bigger than that, Super Mario World. My dudes, we're here, Universal Studios Japan. I'm really excited, honestly. I've never been to Universal in US. Have you?
Long time ago.
Guys, I can see Hogwarts in the background. I see Mario in front of me. What is this magical place? The line is long, guys. So here's a tip. Universal opens at 9. It has different opening times, different days. Today opens at 9, but it's a lie. They actually open it an hour earlier. It's gonna open at 8. We got here at about 7:50 and there's already this many people. Come early. The boards are saying the Express Pass is sold out. Not very happy about that, but we're still gonna have fun. Welcome to Universal Studios Japan, where dreams come true.
Okay, so.
Okay, it looks like you can get your timed entry to Super Nintendo World online. Nate already got that for us. So we go in there at 11:40. So for now, we just explore everything else. It's only 8:30. We got a lot of time until then. You want to ride the big roller coaster first? All right. You want to do it, TJ? Do you like big roller coasters?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, let's do it, boy. A heads up for any Americans who are overweight. The roller coaster, we were gonna ride it first. They make you check if you'll fit in the seat, and Nate did not fit. So seriously, heads up though, because I mean, Nate is far from the biggest American I've ever seen, very far. So if you are overweight, think about that. That is seriously seems to be a thing here. Hopefully not for every ride. Guys, it's America. We're at an American diner. We can go in. Look, they have shakes, hamburgers.
Do I head that way?
Is it running? I haven't seen it go.
Oh yeah, it might not be.
Okay, we're gonna try Spider-Man ride now. Hopefully, everything's okay here. I've only been to Kings Island a couple times. I'm not sure.
My favorite one is.
Dude, the 4D Spider-Man ride is awesome. That was so I really enjoyed that. You like it, Nate?
Ooh, yes, and let's do Terminator now.
Terminator? TJ, did you enjoy that?
That was really good.
That was...
That good.
I know, I didn't...
felt like I was falling.
Right? Yeah, there's this part where they raise you up in the sky and then later they drop you. Both times I felt like I was really...
Yeah.
Like when we went up, I was literally like, are we actually going up? It's all in Japanese, which... I don't know, for me, just hearing like screaming in Japanese, it really added to it.
The only thing that I wish I would have heard was the English J. Jonah going, "Bring me pictures of Spider-Man."
I'm sure he said it in Japanese.
I'm sure he did.
We gotta put all our belongings in a locker for this one, so I'll let you know how it is after. I love horror though, I'm excited.
20 minutes later.
Dude, this occult ring ride is freaking awesome. It's a dark roller coaster. I didn't know what it was gonna be, and we were on the thing, and I'm like, I see the roller coaster track, I'm like, it's a roller coaster right now? And it spins, and it's wild. I'm in Hogsmeade right now, just making my way to get sorted. I think I'm gonna be a Gryffindor. Seems pretty obvious, right? Okay, so in the bathroom, did you guys go in there? When you're going, they have on the speaker Moaning Myrtle talking.
Oh gosh.
That was awesome. Did you find where to get the wand?
I'm assuming it's Wise Arts Wizarding Equipment.
Oh, okay, let's check. Maybe we can get our brooms there too.
Yeah, I saw the broom place over there.
Nate left us, or we left Nate. He really wants to go to Ollivanders and make a wand. It's a 50-minute wait, and me and TJ don't want to wait. I love Harry Potter, but I want to ride the rides, man. I don't know. Okay, we switched rides. The Hippogriff roller coaster thing, we watched it go. It really didn't look that exciting for a 95-minute wait. So we're in line for the like 4D, 3D ride under Hogwarts or in Hogwarts. It seemed way cooler and the line is only 80 minutes. The line for this ride is really long, but it doesn't stop. Like, we barely stop walking. We stop for like 5-10 seconds, then keep going. Okay, we've entered Herbology. I don't see Professor Garlic, but I'm gonna keep my eyes open for sure. You know. Okay, we're about to enter Hogwarts on one of the lower corridors. My first time seeing my new school. I'm excited. Dude, that ride, the one in Hogwarts, that was awesome. It's another 4D one. TJ has never even seen Harry Potter, but you enjoyed it, right?
Yeah, it was really good.
It's very fun. You like, I think we went upside down once, didn't we? Or close to it. Yeah, I think so. Nate said that he regrets doing Ollivanders because you can just buy a wand, you don't build it yourself. And it's just like a show, like a guy talks. Is that right, Nate?
Yeah, I mean, it's cool if you got kids because they might get picked out.
They got the T-Rex right there. He's from the movie. That's crazy. Guys, our first block. There's gonna be many more. We're headed to Super Mario, our Super Nintendo Land. The music's playing. All chance of monetization on this video are long gone. Nate, we're in.
Here's the wristband.
Wristobando. This wristband was 4,200 yen, 4,200. That seems like a lot. I'll let you know if this is really worth it. A lot of people told me it is, but I'm not sure. I got Yoshi, by the way. Nate, that wristband is sick, man. I like it. And I like the Yoshi, too. Yeah, oh, there we go. Oh my God. Bob-omb Battlefield. Oh, this is next level. Oh, it's Peach's castle behind us. That's where we came out.
You only got 3.
Guys, this is amazing. Oh my God. We're in Bowser's castle right now. I don't know where we're going, but I'm a little scared. There's Koopas everywhere. There's a freaking picture of Bowser right there. He's in here somewhere. The line to the Mario Kart ride inside Bowser's castle is honestly just as good or better than the ride itself. The props, the music, the names on these books, and all the little references. Everything felt like a dream to me. If you're a Mario fan, getting stuck in this line should be a bucket list item for you. Okay, the line wasn't 90, it ended up being about 70 minutes. Still a long time, but not as bad as they said. It was fun. Oh, One Up Factory. There's so much stuff down there. We're looking for the restaurant. I'd love to do that if it wasn't for little babies. Guys, the cafe is 70 minutes wait to eat. Oh man. We're waiting for our food now. This cafe is crazy, or this restaurant is crazy. Toad's still cooking it up right now. It's coming soon. Look at my buzzer. They're gonna bring it to me. I found my happy place, guys. This probably won't be too much of a shock to anybody who's ever been to a theme park. For the price paid for this teriyaki chicken, I would say it's pretty subpar. I like the rice though, and Nate already tried the cake. We all got the same cake. He said the cake was great, so. It's really creepy seeing Mario and Luigi stand next to people from our universe.
Rabbits with more pipes, baby.
Yeah, they got really messed up in there. They're looking weird.
Come on.
Okay, I really felt like Mario on that one, dude. Like, seriously.
Oh, what the hell? One more. Yeah.
We're leaving Super Nintendo World. No, you can't make me. I really want to go to the one in US and try with the wristband, see if it works there. This was really cool. Nate and I really only wanted to come to Universal for this. This was the one. I mean, this was the deciding factor for sure. We're not done with Universal though. We're gonna do Jaws because it says a 50-minute wait. Hopefully not really. They've all been shorter than it said, so hopefully that's like a 30-minute wait on the Jaws. Jaws was pretty fun, but it's not quite as crazy as the other ones we've done. I did get a little bit wet. It was cool. Shark comes up. Ah! She's like shooting the shotgun in. We're going back to Harry Potter because Nate wants to ride the one he missed.
Hogwarts. Also my wand, so maybe we can do some of that.
Yeah, maybe you can use your wand to like change something that happens in the ride.
Oh yeah, I'm on it. I'm pulling it out.
So Nate had to check if he'd fit on this ride, and after he did, the worker who was helping us, she was checking to make sure everything was okay. We were like, arigatou gozaimasu, and then as she was walking away, for some reason Nate pulled his wand up and said,
Crucio.
and she turns around, she's like, Crucio, no. Guys, we're leaving Universal now. No, you can't make me. Bye, arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, they're forcing me out. They said you gotta go, buddy. This even Universal City area here, right in front of Universal Studio. Like, you don't have to pay to get into this area. It's just another cool, like, part of the city. It's actually really neat. All the lights. There's a lot of restaurants and things. That looks like a mall over there. Guys, we got back, we got pizza, and after all that Mario, we're watching the Super Mario movie because they've never seen it. I can't believe it. Can't believe it.